The highest paying geography jobs in the world. This video answers the question of what the highest paying geography jobs are. Geography study landscape, drill sites, cartography, and map planning, helping political and environmental ambitions. Geography is a physical discipline that studies the physical geographic aspects of the environment. In addition, geography, like social science, is concerned with human activity and the links that exist between geographical places and people. A master's degree or even a doctorate may be necessary for some of the more renowned and well-paying careers in the field of geography. What are the highest-paying geography jobs? 1. GIS developer, earns $125,000 per year. Geographical information systems technology is required not just for the scientific study of geography, but also for nearly every field associated to it. A job as a GIS developer may be in your future if the technical services side of the profession appeals to you the most. Because this geography job path focuses on the technology tools employed in the discipline, it shares more in common with software designers and computer programmers than with geopolitical analysts and economic geographers. Geospatial information scientist, earns $121,000 per year. A geospatial information scientist is responsible for geographic research and data related to how people utilize space. Your responsibilities as a geographic information scientist include planning urban or agricultural development and developing maps and GPS data. Emergency management directors, earns $92,028 per year. For people working in the subject of disaster management, a geography degree may give a solid foundation in a variety of areas. Directors and people in emergency management must have a thorough grasp of geospatial data and the geographic information systems (GIS) technology that may be utilized to map dangers and plan solutions. Cartographer, earns $85,000 per year. Cartographers create maps by collecting and analyzing geographic data. Cartographers use remote sensing devices to evaluate aerial and satellite photos in the office and out in the field in order to check the accuracy of current mapping and develop new maps for educational, business, and other uses. Landscape architects, earns $82,785 per year. Landscape architecture is a highly multidisciplinary profession that incorporates characteristics of both environmental and human geography. A master's degree in landscape architecture is necessary to work in this field, however, a geography degree is a good starting point. Because the finest landscape architects must comprehend the geographical elements of the land and natural environment, as well as how humans will utilize and interact with outdoor space, geography is relevant to landscape design. Working as a landscape architect, on the other hand, necessitates a much broader understanding of design, as well as the ability to use computer-aided design and drawing (CADD) software. Geographers, earn $79,500 per year. Geographers are scientists who research and write reports on the natural environment or human interactions with the environment. In addition, geographers examine the Earth's physical aspects as well as its people. While geographers have numerous expertise, they all use a variety of data collection methods, such as field observations, satellite imaging, and censuses. Physical geographers specialize in the study of the Earth's surface, physical landscapes, and the natural environment. Human geographers study the interaction between human activity and the environment, revealing cultural, social, and economic information. Land surveyors, earn $75,430 per year. Land surveyors are professionals that study and make use of physical elements of geographic areas and the technologies required to obtain and evaluate geographic data. A land surveyor's job is to take exact measures to identify the borders of properties that will be utilized for engineering and building projects, as well as gather information on the contour and shape of the property's surface. Market research analyst, earns $63,920 per year. Like market research analysts, they use geographical strategies to help businesses better understand and communicate with their customers. They give advice on what things to sell and how to advertise them by developing consumer surveys, performing market research, and evaluating economic data. GIS technicians, earns $53,500 per year. You read maps, handle digital land data, and maintain the information in your GIS database as a GIS technician. A GIS technician, in essence, manages a database but does not use the information they manage.